Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This set says that Pranav created 20 DILR sets for a workshop. 5 MBA Karo students had to randomly pick 4 sets each. So 4 sets and 5 students. So total 20 sets. Every student had to complete the 4 sets chosen by them. Okay. So there are 3 types of sets based on the difficulty level: easy, medium and hard. The marking scheme, score and penalty was as follows. So easy level +1 -3. So easy, if you get right, you will get 3 points. And if you get it wrong, -3. Then medium level, the scores are +2 and -2. And hard level set, if you do it correct, 4 and -1. So higher penalty for easy set and less penalty for hard set. So the information is given below based on the performance of these students. None of the students solved all 4 sets correctly. Okay, so they solved, maybe they solved 1 or 2 or 3 sets correctly. Prithvi was the only student to get an easy level set wrong. Only student, easy level set wrong. So we will have to make a table like this. 5 people, Penta. So I have taken the names Penta meaning 5. And we will put that what are their scores in the 4 sets. So that's the purpose to calculate their scores. So got an easy level set wrong. So easy level set wrong means will incur a penalty of 3 marks over here. Okay, so we do not know how many other sets he got wrong, but one easy level set is wrong here. Navodit's score is the highest while Ehsan's score is the lowest. So Navodit got the highest marks, Ehsan got the least marks. Both of them solved 3 sets correctly. So they will get 3 sets correctly, positive marks and a negative mark. So that means that they solved 3 sets correctly. The only set that Ananya got wrong was of hard difficulty level and her score is 3. So Ananya got one hard level set wrong, that is -1 over here, and her score is 3. So her total score is 3. And so now one thing to consider here is Ananya got 3 correct. These two people have got 3 correct, right? So that is known to us. Nobody had all sets of the same difficulty level. So we can have sets of two different difficulty levels, 3 different difficulty levels, but all sets should not be of same difficulty level. So that has to be a constant. Only Tanvi attempted 3 sets of the same difficulty level. Her score is 5. So Tanvi got a score of 5. Her 3 sets were of same difficulty level. 3 sets of same difficulty level. So no other person had it. The scores of the 5 students are consecutive integers. Now we can probably figure out their scores. Consecutive integers. Now 3 is present in them, 5 is present in them. So we cannot have 3, 4, 5, right? Because 3 is not the lowest, right? Can we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Possible. What if we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Then 5 becomes the highest, but we are given that the highest is of the person's Navodit, right? So we cannot have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the only possibility is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know Ehsan has a score of 2, Navodit has a score of 6, and Prithvi has a score of 4. So we can answer one of the questions that Prithvi's score is 4. Right. The next condition is given that in total 14 sets were solved correctly. So 14 out of 20 were correct. That means there are 6 incorrect. Now 6 incorrect, or you can take like correct only. So we know 3, 3, 3. These got 3 sets correct because the highest and lowest, this is explicitly mentioned, and only set Ananya got wrong. That means Ananya also got 3 set correct. So 9. Now we have to make 5 more. So 5 means 4, 1 or 3, 2. It is also given that none of the students solved all 4 sets correctly. So it has to be 3, 2. So there will be one person who will get 2 sets incorrect and rest will get only 1, 1 incorrect. So we will have 1, 1, 1 incorrect. One of these students will have one more incorrect. Now we know that they are not those. So one of these two will get one of these incorrect sets. Okay. Now that is done. So this is the piece of information that total 6 incorrect, and these are the scores of the students. Now using the conditions, the constraint that nobody had all sets of same difficulty level, plus some other things, like Prithvi was the only student to get an easy level set wrong. So we will figure out the scores of these people, right? Now Navodit, let's start with Ehsan and Navodit. So Ehsan has a score of 2. So in these three, now he cannot get minus 3 here, because minus 3 will come only for one student. Now he can get minus 1 or minus 2 in the fourth set. So that means his positive score should be 3 or 4. Okay. So if we talk about Ehsan, his positive score should be 3 or 4 in 3 sets. And in the fourth one, he will get a negative, right? Now, how can he get 3? 3 means that he will get 1, 1, 1, and another set is minus 1. Now, if he gets 1, 1, 1, that means he is solving easy sets. Now, read one condition which said that only Tanvi attempted 3 sets of same difficulty level. So, this condition is not possible. We cannot have 1, 1, 1 and minus 1, right? So, that means Navodit will have 4 and minus 2. So, Ehsan will have 4 and minus 2. Now, how can 4 come? 4 can happen with 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2 and minus 2 to make the score as 2. So we will have 2, 1, 1, or in any order you can write. The order is not important. We just need to find out which sets they attempted. Now 2 is a moderate level set. These two are easy level sets, and this is again a moderate level set. Okay, so we are done with Ehsan. Similarly, we will do the same for Navodit also. Now Navodit has to score 6. He cannot have minus 3 here, so it can be minus 1 or minus 2. Now, if it is minus 1, so he has to score 7 in 3 sets and minus 1 in fourth, or he has to score 8 in 3 sets and minus 2 in the fourth set, right? Now, 7, how is it possible? So, one possibility is 4, 2, 1, because 4, 1 has to get, then only you can make 7 marks, okay? Otherwise, 2, 2, 2 will give 6 only. And if you have to make 8, then you will have to get 4, 2, 2. So, if you take this condition, now in this scenario, 2, 2, 2, these are all medium level sets. So if you get correct, you get 2 marks. You get correct, you get 2 marks. If you get a medium level set incorrect, you will get minus 2 marks. Okay. So again, that is not possible, because again this condition, only Tanvi attempted 3 sets of same difficulty level. So it means that this is the marking scheme for Navodit. So 4, 2, 1, minus 1. 4, 2, 1 and minus 1. Now 4 is a hard level set. 2 is a medium level set, easy level set, and this is hard level set. Remember, hard level minus 1. Okay, so that is the marking. Okay, so Navodit is done, Ehsan is done. Now we can do the same activity for uh, Ananya as well. So she has to get 3 marks, right? And that is minus 1. So 3 correct questions. So 3 correct questions can yield 4 marks. Okay, so it has to be 4 marks. So only possible way to make 4 is 2, 1, 1. So 2, 1, 1 and minus 1. So 2 is a moderate level set, easy and hard. So we see that 3 sets of same type are not solved. Now only Tanvi attempted 3 sets of the same difficulty level. So let us target Tanvi also. Now she has to get same difficulty level and she has to end up with 5 marks. Okay, now 5 means she cannot get minus 3 here, so it has to be minus 1 and 2. So let us try the same combinations for Tanvi also. So if he has to get 6 and minus 1, 6 in 3 sets, right? So can we have 2, 2, 2 and minus 1 to make it 5, right? Possible. 3 sets of same difficulty level. If we take 7 and minus 2, right? So 7 and minus 2 means 7 can be made using 4, 2, 1 and minus 2. Now we are given that 3 sets of the same difficulty level. Now if you take this case, so there will be 2 sets of same difficulty level and these are different levels. So that means Tanvi can have this as a possible scenario. Now let us think of another scenario where Tanvi gets two incorrect. It is also possible to get two incorrect sets. Okay, so we will keep that on hold because it can happen that we have minus one over here, right? Or something like that. So let's keep that also as a possible option. Now, let's look at Prithvi also. Prithvi was the only student to get an easy level set wrong. So he has already got one incorrect. Suppose he gets two incorrect. So there has to be a person who has to get two incorrect out of Prithvi and Tanvi. Suppose Prithvi gets another incorrect. Let us say it is minus one. Okay. So if you take, let's take this scenario that we are working on Prithvi. So if we make minus 1 over here, so it will be 4, 4, minus 1, minus 3. Then only you can get 4 marks. So this will be hard, hard and hard, right? So again, this condition only Tanvi is not satisfied. So Prithvi cannot have 4, 4, minus 1. Suppose Prithvi gets minus 2 here. Prithvi cannot score 9 marks in these two because total score is 4. So that means Prithvi got only one incorrect. Now Prithvi got only one incorrect. So that means Prithvi should get 7 marks. So that is only possible 4 to 1 minus 3. Now 4 to 1 minus 3, that is hard, medium, easy and easy. Now we will look at this thing because we have total 14 sets correct. Prithvi has got 3 correct. So Tanvi has to get 2 incorrect sets. So this condition which we checked earlier is not true. So Tanvi has to get 2 incorrect. Now total 5 marks are there, right? Suppose we make 7 minus 1 minus 1, that makes 5, right? 7 in 2 sets, but 7 in 2 sets is not possible. If we make 7, 8 and minus 2, think like this. How can we get a total of 5? So we can have 7 in 2 sets and minus 1 and minus 1. That is not possible. We can make 8 in 2 sets. Then we can have minus 1 and minus 2. And we can also have 9 in 2 sets, minus 2 and minus 2, which is not possible because we cannot make a score of 9 in 2 sets. So only possibility that fits here is 8 in 2 sets and minus 1 and minus 2. So 4, 4, minus 1, minus 2. 5 fits. Now this is hard level set, hard level set, hard level sets, and this is a moderate level set. Now does it fit? Yes, Tanvi attempted 3 sets of the same difficulty level, that is the hard difficulty level. So this completes our table, right? So now we have got all the data and we can answer all these questions. How many medium level sets were given to these 5 students? So medium level sets is, let us count the ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are a total of 6 medium level sets given to these students. Next question is, how many hard level sets were collectively solved correctly by these 5 students? Okay, so let's count all the 4s. 1 and then we have 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 hard level sets solved correctly by these students. How many students solved sets of all difficulty levels? So hard, medium, easy. So this is one student, Prithvi. Then we have medium, easy, medium, only 2 levels. So see, solved, right? It is not talking about correct or incorrect. So we just have to see that they got the sets of all level. Hard, medium, easy. So Navodit is another person. Now Tanvi has only 2 types, and we have Ananya also solving medium, easy as well as hard set. So there are 3 students who solved sets of all difficulty level. So this was the solution to the set. I hope you loved solving this set. So please don't forget to like this video.